What's up everyone, my name is Duana aka Glamazon 1026 and welcome to the Glam Room. Thank you so much for joining us. If you're new, thank you for returning if you are an old friend. Today we are going to give you a review and demo of the Smoky Glow palette by Midas Cosmetics. So stick with me if you want to see all about this palette. Today we are going to be talking about the Midas Cosmetics Smoky Glow palette. This is a palette that it had a lot of hype on like Twitter and on Instagram, and I was really interested in seeing what they were coming out with because I love like the packaging and the sneak peeks that they had been given at the I believe end of last year, early into this year. I had never heard of Smoky Glow before this collab, but by Midas Cosmetics just heavily promoting it, I found her channel and I really like her personality. She seems pretty fun and pretty bubbly, and so that was, I was like, okay, let's check it out. Anyway, so the palette originally was supposed to drop, I believe it was the 14th of February. There were like two pre-orders. There was one pre-order for Smoky Glow's followers. Then they had another pre-order, which is when I ordered mine. They were all supposed to start shipping on February 14th. That was originally the plan. However, as you know, we are in the midst of a pandemic, and because of the coronavirus, they pushed back the date because nothing was shipping out from China. So I ordered it at the end of January and I received it on March 9th. Rocio was very transparent with the process and with everything that was happening over in China, so I wasn't upset about that at all. So I ordered this package, and once you ordered it, it came with a cosmetics bag that says "Hi Friends," because that's how Smoky Glow like addresses all her videos. She says "Hi Friends," and then the back it says "Smoky Glow" by Midas Cosmetics. And then you got the palette as well, and then you got this card with her face on it, and it has a little letter from her at the back. This palette cost $36. I paid $28.80 because I used my coupon code from Midas Cosmetics, which is GlamFam. So if you want to get it, you can use the code GlamFam and you can get $7.27 off. So let's open up the palette. So right now it comes in this matte kind of mauve sleeve with this rose gold stamp on it saying Midas Cosmetics and Smoky Glow. Then when you take it out of the sleeve, it has this holographic shimmer on the actual palette with the same rose gold stamp. So inside we have a mirror, and you know we love a mirror here in the Glam Room, and it's a really good mirror too. You can see it, it's nice and big, and I can use it while I'm applying my eyeshadow, right? So we have 18 shades in here. There are 10 mattes and 8 shimmers. So we are going to do this how we do every other review and demo for an eyeshadow palette. We're going to do some swatches, and then I'm going to give you a demo at the end and wrap it up with my thoughts on the palette. So let's get into the swatches. When I did these swatches, I had already used this palette once and I wasn't disappointed with the palette. I just didn't like the look that I did, so I wiped it off, so I wasn't really paying attention. When I swatched them just a little while ago, I was so impressed with the pigmentation of especially the reds. They were so good with just my fingertips and without primer. Needless to say, I was very impressed with the swatches, so I was really excited about doing the demo, which we are going to get into right now. We're starting this look by taking Jump Cut and putting it on a fluffy blending brush, and we're going to put that in our transition area and blend it out towards the brow bone. On that same brush, we're going to pick up Rose and put that directly into our crease and then blend it out. Then we're going to pick up Amazing in Content and use that to deepen the crease. I'm cutting the crease with the ABH eye primer and going back in with Amazing in Content to blend out the back. I'm picking up Nutty and putting that on the front third of my lid. And then going in with Leno to complete the lid. Finally finishing it off by winging it out. So first of all, I would like to say congratulations to Hannah and Rocio for this palette. I think they knocked it out of the park. This is such a good palette. It is so easy to use. Like if you are a beginner and you want something that's going to be colorful but still can get you through everyday wear, that doesn't have to have like yellows and greens, and it doesn't have to have all of that, but you know, but it has a little bit more than your regular nude palettes. I think that this would be good. I think that the shades would show up on a variety of skin tones. I think that even the deepest of the deep can get use out of all of the shades besides Basic and Cold Brew, and I definitely don't think that they aren't unusable. You could definitely use these two on your lid if you were doing a completely matte look. But other than that, I think that this is going to be a really usable palette, especially for people who really just want to throw something on their eye and blend it out really quickly and go. After I figured out what I was doing with my first eye, on my second eye was so quick. I was just like, oh wow, that's it. I'm finished blending and all that. It took me very little bit of time to get this eyeshadow look done, and I was just amazed because it was just so easy to work with. I really love the shades Leno and Nutty. I wanted to use them, and I was like, I don't know if they're gonna match the entire look, but I'm using them today because they are so beautiful. I also cannot wait to use Group Chat because that looks like a really pretty pink, and Dofa I used in another look. When did I use Dofa? Oh, I used it in the ABH and Fenty mascara video that was on the outer corner of my eye, so I really like that as well. And so, you know, I just think that this is going to be a good addition to your palette. I mean, to your to your palette collection. I don't think that you would be disappointed if you got this at all. And I'm not just saying that because I have a Midas Cosmetics code. I do get percentage, I think it's 10% of my sales comes to me as an affiliate code, but I definitely think that this would be a really good addition to your palette collection. So if you are looking to purchase, go to Midas Cosmetics. So as of right now, the palette is sold out, but I definitely believe that they're going to come back in stock, because when Hannah made her video, they said that they'll be making them as the need increases. So it's not limited edition at all. They're going to restock, but you know, the world is in disarray right now, so it might take a little while. So if you haven't gotten it, just keep your eye out for this because it is a really good product. All right guys, that's all I have for you today. So if you liked what I gave you, give me a thumbs up down below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that we can make it to 1,000 viewers, 1,000 subscribers, and click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.